Alright, so this is a quick video on how to change the textures for the PAC solid surface Miterfold countertops. Now, inside the download, this is version 14 download, you will have a whole texture package. It's literally just the countertops textures that default into Mozaik, but you can bring them in for cabinet parts. Because to make everything simpler, I basically created all of these countertops with the cabinet material template. So if you wanted to right click, override material templates, you could change the color of all these tops all at once. You're going to come in here, and instead of the default texture group, you can pick anything else you want. I'm going to pick the solid surface. This will be included in the download, and then you can just find the color that you want and change it over. This is just purely visual. Okay, so there's that. And then as far as importing the texture pack, going to go to libraries and materials, and then you'll go to texture groups. I'll hit the horizontal lines here. I already have solid surface in here, but if you have the download, you'll import and then just click on solid surface textures and say OK and bring it in. And then you'll have access to that texture group. We don't do anything with the countertops because it's kind of a newer V14 thing, and it actually just complicated the product more than it needed to be. So I left that out. There's an install video for the product. There is also how-to on all the features and parameters, and this is just kind of a little extra video. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.